G'day, I'm Dave Gregory, one of the salespeople down here at Suttons Isuzu Trucks at Arncliffe. Just thought I'd take a minute to show you around a new FYJ tilt tray, and I'd like to thank you all for having a watch of the video that we're about to put together. So thanks a lot, guys. The truck we have here today is the Isuzu FYJ 300/350 Auto Extra Long Wheelbase. This truck has a 30,000 kilo GVM, which is a usable 27,500 kilos here in New South Wales. The beauty of this truck is that it uses a super reliable 4430 series Allison transmission. It also has Meritor axles and a tried and proven 6U Z1 engine that does not require the use of DPF or any AdBlue. We have retrofitted alloy wheels all round. These wheels are quite special as they are completely chrome plated, including the wheel nut. All new Isuzu trucks use a 24-volt electrical system. This helps with cold early morning starts. The body we've used here was built in Sydney by Hydraulic Towing Equipment, or HTE for short. The reason we've selected this body is due to the owner's experience and attention to detail in heavy haulage equipment. Here we have the hydraulic stability legs at the back of your tilt tray, which is also set up with a tow bar connection ready to go. As you can see here, we have the LED tail lights with reflectors at the rear and on the top of the headboard, paired with the work lights so you can see during the night time and early mornings. This tilt tray comes with a low-dar radio remote control. All hydraulic items on the tray, including the legs and the winch, can be controlled via this remote control. In the off case that a remote is lost or damaged, the tray is equipped with manual controls, which will reduce the risk of any downtime. A stainless steel toolbox has been fitted under the body to ensure we get the desired finish, which comes with plenty of room for all your straps, change, or anything else that you might need to secure onto the tray. Here we have a stainless steel cover across the 400 litre aluminium fuel tank. On both sides of the tilt tray we do have pull-out steps which assist you getting on the back of the tilt tray so you can access your winch, container pusher and twin toolboxes. This tilt tray is mounted with a 20,000 pound winch as well as a container pusher. This allows for towing or container work, which maximises the use of the truck. As you can see, it has been fitted with a super slim light bar at the top of the headboard, LED flashes at the front and rear, and LED lights along both sides of the truck. All oil, coolant and power steering can be checked without having to raise the cabin. In any case, the cabin has an electro-hydraulic cabin tilt, which is a factory standard for this model. The mirrors on the outside of the truck are big and wide so that you can see all access points of the truck, including your blind spots. Both top and bottom mirrors are heated and electric adjustable. You also have a side spotter mirror, which allows you to see right beside you. We've mounted a sun visor for extra protection from that early morning sun, which reduces the chance of being blinded whilst driving. It also finishes the appeal of the truck. The front chrome adds to the appeal of the truck, which also has strobe lights fitted to it, which work in sync with the headboard mounted LED light bar. The truck's been fitted with an air Isri seat for the driver for ultimate comfort while they drive for the long hours spent in the truck. The truck does have a factory diff lock and cross lock to assist with work going into driveways or any surfaces that may cause the truck to slip on the road. Under your climate control, you can see the PTO switch. In order to use the tilt tray, the PTO has to be engaged and the choke should be set around about 1000 RPM. Thanks for your time today. For more information, please contact us on 02 9335 9080.